Hello everyone, welcome to Career Talk. In the next 5 minutes, I am going to share with you 7 important things which have worked for me. And I believe I have done very well in my career, at my job, in my business, and generally on social media because I try to follow these 7 principles. Okay, and I believe these principles will be useful to you as well. So, point number 1, identify your strength, identify your area of interest, or find out what you are really good at. That is the first important point, because generally what happens is when we start to work, we are thrown into areas where we don't actually have any interest or where we actually don't have any strengths. Okay, so first step is to find out your area of strength. Second important step is to invest time, money, energy, and efforts in learning skills around your area of strength. All right, if you have identified in step 1 what do you like or what is your strength, step number 2 is to invest time, money, energy, and efforts in learning things in that particular area. Point number 3 is being consistent. Show up daily, do things daily in your area of strength, which may be in terms of learning new skills, which may be in terms of gaining new experience, or which may be in terms of experimenting or doing new projects. Okay, so once you have identified your area of strength, invest time, money, energy, and efforts. And point number 3 is show up consistently, do consistent efforts, daily efforts. Point number 4, be resilient. There are ups and downs in every career. There are ups and downs, success and failure in every other job. So get through all of these things. There are some days when everything will be smooth. There will be some days when things will not work. So develop resilience. Get through these things as they come. Don't get demotivated by 1 or 2 failures. Point number 5, very important, no matter what you do, irrespective of what you do, there will be 10% people who will not like it. Okay, most likely they will hate it. So ignore those 10% people. Okay, rather focus on the remaining 90% people. That is how you concentrate and you develop focus without worrying what those 10% people are saying. Point number 6, do not chase money, do not chase high salaries or CTCs. Chase skills, chase newer skills, better skills, or upgrade yourself to a higher level skill, because every skill has a peak in terms of the money that you can earn because of that skill. So always chase good skills. Okay, always chase better skills. If you are able to learn, reskill, and upskill, then money will follow. Point number 6 is chase the right thing. Chasing money is not going to give you skills, but chasing skills will give you money. Point number 7, last but not the least, learn to take credit of your own work. A lot of people do a lot of good work, but they don't like to showcase it. They don't like to talk about it. The point is, if you do 1,000 good things and nobody acknowledges or nobody cares about it, but if you do one thing, one mistake, then everybody will make a huge fuss out of it. Okay, you will be questioned and you will be in limelight for doing that one thing wrong. So make sure that if you do 1,000 things, every single time you get some visibility, some credit of your own work. It is not a crime to get visibility or credit of your own work. So don't just be a silent performer. Make sure that you get your due with every successful project that you complete. I will summarize all the 7 points once more. Find out your strength, invest time, energy, efforts into your area of interest or area of strength. Be consistent, be resilient, focus on the 90% people who matter to you and not on the 10% who hate you or hate your work. Do not chase money, chase skills. Last but not the least, learn to take credit of your own work. I hope this is going to be super helpful to you. See you in the next video. Bye.